How to delete Superset account. Now in this video, I'll show you specific ways for you to be able to delete your Superset account. Now account deletion on Superset app or maybe from the web version of Superset does not actually exist. So you really need to contact customer service chat support for this one. Or the most convenient way of doing this is sending an email. Now, if you head straight into their official website, you can basically use this option here that asks AI. Now, if you're going to be deleting your account via SQL, then this is going to be the process, which is actually lengthy. Then all you have to do for the most convenient way of doing it is just simply open up any email that you use, or maybe Gmail, and then compose it from there and provide a request that you would like your account to be deleted, and then send it over into support at joinsuperset.com, and then just wait for their response to get back to you for you to be able to have your account be deleted completely. And that's it. That's the most convenient way of deleting your Superset account.